भगवान कहते हैं कि उदास मत होना, क्योंकि मैं तेरे साथ हूँ। सामने नहीं पर आस पास हूँ। पलकों को बंद कर दिल से याद करना, मैं और कोई नहीं, तेरा आत्मविश्वास हूँ। So hi guys, this is Amit and you're watching Study with Amit. So today, till now, we have completed 7 to 8 videos in this our classes Java programming language class 9 and 10. And today we are here with the topic space pattern programming. So I have seen that most of the people just skip the video. For them, it is there that half knowledge is dangerous, or I say it is very, very dangerous. So please watch our full video. Write a program to print the following pattern. So we have to print a pattern which looks like this. So we have to think that how it is formed. So now we can see here there is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. We can see here that there are first there are 4 space, then 3, then 2, and at last 1, and here 0. So, and this side, if we see that it is program is like this, but there is only difference of the space. So we will divide the program into two parts. As you can see here. So this is one part and this is another part. So for this we'll write here for int I is equal to 1, I is less than equal to 5, I plus plus. Now here what we will do, that we will write here for int j is equal to 4, j is equal to 5, j is less than j is 5, so j will be more than I, and j minus minus, and here we'll print SOP system dot out dot print. We'll print here what we want. We want a blank space. So for blank space, we know that we have to write, we have to give space inside double quote in SOPLN section. So now till here it is there. We have printed first we have printed 4 space blank, then 3, then 2, and then 1. As there is no equal to sign, so at last it will print 0. So now what we will write after this? Now after this there will be one more loop over here for, there is no space, so we will write here for int k is equal to 1, k is less than equal to I, k plus plus. Now we have written this. Now what we have to print? We have to see that what we have to print. So now we know that same program as it was there for this one, same program will be here. So for this there was this loop, and inside this will print asterisk. This we have done. There is one loop open here for, so before closing this loop we'll write system dot out dot println and we'll close for loop and another two braces which we have opened before. So this is the program. Now we'll see. First we have print. Now some will say that why I have written program for this and how it will work here. So now I'll explain. Here I have written system.out.print. Means what? Means it will remain in single line and it will reach till here, and after this, if the condition will be false, then it will go to another loop. Before going to I, it will go here and it will check, and k is 1, k is less than equal to I, equal to 1, yes, true, 1, equal to 1. So it will print 1 asterisk, and another time when k will become 2, 2 is less than 1, no, it will become false, so it will go to I, and again value of I will become 2, and here j, so j will print another 3 space, blank space, and now it will print 2 stars. Now like this, going in process, we will get this type of pattern. So this is the program. Moving towards next question, we have here a question number 2, that write a program to print the following pattern. The pattern is given. First there is 1, after this there is 3, after this there is 5, then 7, and then 9. So now what we are seeing that it is the increment of 2, means if we write 1, if we write then 3, then 5, then 7, and after this 9, then we see there is increment of 2, that 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, and so on. Till 9 it has gone. So now we have to think that what we can write for this type of sums. So as we write, we will write here we have written here that for int I is equal to 1, I is less than 5, and I plus plus. After this, what we'll write? This is common for all. After this, we'll write Now before you have seen that I have written loop for I. Here we have written loop for j. J is equal to 5. J is less, j will be more than, as it is 5. 5 will be more than I, and j minus minus means the value of j will be decremented as the programming continues. So now we'll print SOPLN. We have to see that here we are having space 2. Four spaces are there. So for that we will print here this one space, only blank space for this. Now we will write program for another part of the program. After this we will write another loop I. SOP it will be. We will print here so here we can see that we have written k is equal to I, k is less than equal to I into 2 and k plus plus. K is equal to 1. It will be 1. K is less than I into 2 and k plus plus. So now we have to print what we don't need this number. If we would be in need of these numbers, then we would print I. As because we don't need number, we need asterisk symbol. So for this, inside double quote we'll print one asterisk and we'll close all the braces. So this is the program. Here we have done what? First SOPLN. This is most important part of the program. If we don't write, then it will display in one single line and it will go so on. So we don't want that. So for this we write here SOPLN. First we have put here space. So for 4 space, 3 space, now 2 and at last 1 and 0. So for this we have written j is more than I, not equal to, because if we had put equal to sign, then there would be one more space here at last. So we don't want that. For this we have written j is more than 1 and here we have printed the space. Now it will print 4 times and it will become false, and after this it will go to k. K is 1. 1 is less than equal to I into 2. Value of I is 1. 1 2s are 2. I is less than 2. Yes. K plus plus. We will print asterisk 1 once and then it will print. Well, it will print 1 asterisk once, then 1 2 3, then 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 asterisk, and the program will be completed. So these were the important programs or the mostly asked programs. From this we can make many programs, like if we can print like this breaking it into 3 parts but if we need all together we can use this logic, or we have another logic. Before we have done this program, we'll do and one more loop we will use, and we'll print this 1 1 1 2 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 4. This is also one easy way to do this sum. So today we have completed the important programs of space pattern programming. So thanks for watching this video, and if you find this video helpful, do like this video, share with your friends and comment below. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.